Members of a paralyzed U.S. House of Representatives failed to elect a new speaker again on January 4, 2023. Congressman Kevin McCarthy, a Republican from California, failed to secure enough votes for the fourth, fifth, and sixth times after at least 20 lawmakers of his own party didn't vote for him. On January 3rd, the opening day of the divided 118th Congress, the House also voted 3 times, but McCarthy fell short of the necessary 218 votes to be the next speaker. It was the first time a House Speaker hadn't been elected on the first ballot in 100 years. How do you think this looks to the rest of the world? U.S. President Joe Biden told reporters, "It's not a good look, it's not a good thing." Republicans' failure to elect a new House Speaker has demonstrated the dysfunction and division that have infected the party, said USA Today. The situation has left Congress paralyzed, since no House member can be sworn in and no rules can be adopted until a Speaker is chosen. The plan is for members to vote again and again if necessary. However, if there is no resolution, the voting could last for days, weeks, or even months. This is embarrassing, said the newspaper.